What if I told you that success isn't just about hard work? That it's not just about luck or talent, it's about mindset. The difference between those who achieve greatness and those who don't is the way they think. And today, I'll show you how to master the mindset of success. 1. The power of belief. Everything starts with belief. If you don't believe in yourself, no one else will. Look at every successful person. They weren't born with success, they created it. They believed in their vision even when no one else did. Ask yourself, do you truly believe you can achieve your dreams? 2. Embrace failure as a lesson. Successful people don't fear failure, they embrace it. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. Think of Thomas Edison. 10,000 failed attempts before he invented the light bulb. He didn't fail, he learned. What if your next failure is just a stepping stone to your biggest breakthrough? 3. Take massive action. Dreams don't work unless you do. You can visualize success all day, but without action, nothing changes. Successful people take massive, consistent action. They don't wait for the perfect time, they create it. The question is, are you willing to do what it takes? 4. Stay disciplined and focused. Motivation gets you started, but discipline keeps you going. There will be days when you don't feel like working, but those are the days that define you. Focus on your goals, cut out distractions, stay committed. Success isn't built in a day, but it is built daily. 5. Surround yourself with winners. Your environment shapes you. If you're around negative, lazy people, you'll absorb their mindset. But if you surround yourself with winners, those who push you, challenge you, you'll rise to their level. So ask yourself, who's in your circle? Success isn't a secret, it's a mindset. Believe in yourself, learn from failure. Take action, stay disciplined, surround yourself with the right people. Do this, and success won't just be a dream, it'll be your reality. Subscribe or stay dumb.